Software-defined wide area network (SD-WAN) technology has gained significant traction in recent years due to its ability to provide more flexible and cost-effective connectivity solutions for businesses with multiple branch locations. While SD-WAN and multi-protocol label switching (MPLS) serve similar purposes of connecting remote sites and improving network performance, they have different characteristics and use cases. Whether SD-WAN can completely replace MPLS depends on the specific requirements and priorities of an organization. Here are some key points to consider. Cost efficiency. MPLS can be expensive, especially for businesses with a large number of branch locations. SD-WAN can often provide cost savings by leveraging cheaper internet connections for site-to-site communication while maintaining the required performance through traffic optimization and path selection. Performance and QoS. MPLS networks generally offer a higher level of reliability and quality of service (QoS) compared to typical internet connections. SD-WAN can dynamically route traffic over multiple paths, including internet links, which can lead to better performance in some scenarios. However, SD-WAN relies on the underlying internet connections, which might not offer the same level of reliability as MPLS. Flexibility. SD-WAN allows for dynamic path selection, application-based traffic prioritization, and the ability to easily add or remove network links. This flexibility makes it well suited for organizations with diverse connectivity needs. Security. MPLS inherently provides some level of security because it's a private network. SD-WAN, on the other hand, operates over public internet connections. While SD-WAN solutions include security features like encryption and firewall integration, the security landscape might be different from that of a private MPLS network. Deployment speed. SD-WAN can be deployed more quickly than setting up MPLS connections, which often require substantial lead times for provisioning and setup. Hybrid approaches. Many organizations adopt a hybrid approach, where they keep their critical applications on MPLS for guaranteed performance and use SD-WAN for less critical traffic. Application awareness. SD-WAN can intelligently route traffic based on the specific applications being used, optimizing performance based on application requirements. In conclusion, while SD-WAN technology offers numerous benefits and can often be a suitable replacement for MPLS, there are instances where MPLS might still be preferred, especially when guaranteed performance, security, and QoS are top priorities. Organizations need to evaluate their specific networking requirements, budget constraints, and risk tolerance to determine whether SD-WAN can fully replace MPLS or if a hybrid solution would be more appropriate.